Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today starts my 12 days of Christmas. I'm going to be doing Christmas projects every day, and I wanted to show you a little project. Now, I did not create this. I did not come up with the idea. I saw it on TikTok by multiple people, so I don't know who originated it, but I loved it. So I kind of made one on my own, and I'm going to be using the tumbler tower game. All the pieces there, almost all of them are going to be used on this. And then I have 3 of these ornaments, and then I'm also using glue and black paint, and that is all. So I cut those all off. I've got these 3 just sitting here waiting. Then let me show you what I'm doing. I am taking these tumble towers. I'm just going to get another piece because I'm going to be working with some glue. And I took the Fix-All adhesive, or you can just use a glue gun. And I am going to glue here. And I just take that, and I kind of twist it. That way I get it all nice and good. This is a low temp glue gun, so I could just move that away without hurting myself. And I just put 3 of these together. And line them up. Then I paint them black. So I'm just going to take a black, Mars black from our Artiza. I'm just going to add some paint there. And you can, since I use the hot glue, I can paint it right away. And we're just going to paint that guy. And I'm only going to do the front and sides. The back of mine is not going to be shown anywhere, but if you want it to be shown on the back, you'd want to paint the back as well. So I'm just painting these guys up. I'm doing the front, and then I will do the top, and I'm only going to do one side of the top, and then I'm going to be doing the sides as well. But while this is kind of drying, I'm going to set that off to the side, and I'm going to show you another part. And I'm going to take 3 more of these guys. Now this one, I'm going to go along the sides here, and we're going to put these together. You're going to make those nice and square on this side and all sides, so that it'll sit flat. And then I'm going to add another, and we're going to put those together. And you are going to make a second set of these, so you'll have 2 pieces. Then just stick my glue in there, and then you're going to take those pieces, and we're going to glue those together as well. And again, you want those to be somewhat flat. And I'm doing this with hot glue just to be fast, but the other ones that I've already done are done with the Fix-All. So now I'm going to take this guy, and I'm going to add some Mars Black ink on there, paint. And make sure you get in those sides and crevices, anything that'll show there. We're going to get that whole top. And then we'll we'll get these sides as well. And so we're making little platforms. So what we're going to do, let me see here. After we get that done, we'll set that out to dry because we're still going to want to do these sides as well. So I'm going to set that one to dry. And now this stuff dries pretty quickly, so I can already do these sides here. Very quickly. This dries very, very quickly. So I'm going to put some on this side. Again, I'm going to make sure all those little crevices have paint in there. So I want that to be black all the way around. And then we're going to do this side. We're just going to make a nice straight line here, as straight as can be. And then I'll show you what else. After that, just going to make sure this top is done again. Perfect. We're going to let that one dry. Telling you this stuff dries so fast. And now I'm going to do these sides as well. And the other side. So we'll let this one dry, but I've already made multiples of these. So I'm going to put the cap on here. I am done painting, except for this little bit that I see here. There we go. I think we've got everything done. Okay. Now let me show you what we're going to do. After they dry, we're going to take these two pieces and then another small black piece that it's just one towering tumbler. And I'm using the grid. I want the lines. I'm going to line up the bottoms here. And then I'm going to stick this one in the middle. So we're going to take this, and again, we're going to put that there. And right in the middle here, I'm going to do that one. And I just need to get this properly centered there. And then once that's done, just making a little ho, ho, ho. And then I'm going to do this side as well. And for this one, I'm sticking it straight up and getting that ho, ho, ho. Or, I keep saying ho, ho, ho. They're H's for ho, ho, ho. So now we've got this guy done. We've got our H's done. I made 3 of them. And I made 6 of these. Now you could glue all 6 together, but I wanted to make them so that I could arrange them however I'd like, rather than always just being right next to each other. I might have, I'm going to put this hot glue here. And I'm going to glue those right on the center there. So it looks just like that. So I'm going to glue all of those together. We'll do the second one. There's the second one, and then we will do the third one. And see, I started to paint the bottoms, and then I realized that the bottoms aren't going to be showing because they're going to be glued down. So we're going to put that third one on there, just like that. And if you have any pieces like I'm seeing here, you can just add that glue, or that black. So I've got my H's, and now we just need to make our O's. So I've got our other bases here, and with those O's, we're literally just going to take them, and we're going to use this as our O. We're just going to put it smack dab in the middle there, and we've got our O's. So then when we put them together, we've got our ho, and you put 3 of them together and you got your ho ho ho. So I think this was super cute, super quick, super easy. The whole project, I would say, took me maybe an hour in total to do everything from start to finish. And this one's dry already, so we can go ahead and put that on here and get our last one done. And there we go. So I will get a picture of this for you. I'm super excited. Again, I wish I could let whoever made this know. I'll let you know who it was, but I just don't know. But I've got my 3 ho ho ho's there. And again, if you wanted to paint the backside, you could do that as well. So, all right, beauties, let me know what you think. I think it's adorable. Please give me a big thumbs up, and let me know what else you'd like to see on my 12 Days of Christmas. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.